Diode Dynamics Demon Eye kit. I'm gonna go get a knife and go ahead and take a stab at this. Excuse the hole in my shoe. No, I'm probably not gonna be able to get it like that. No. Alright. So this is actually the first time I've ever gotten a Demon Eye kit. So we got the first box, Diode Dynamics. 3-year warranty, which is the main reason that I got it. We got a Diode Dynamics sticker, of course, customer information. So that. Bluetooth controller, got it with the kit. Put that right there. Guessing that this is just, it's just packaging. That's it. Alright, so the actual so you got the controller, sticker. Got some connectors, the brackets to mount it into the projectors, actual harness right here, multicolor driver, guessing it's the same thing, one for each. Connectors, I'm guessing, to the brackets, I'd assume. No, these are the, yeah, these are connectors. What are these? Excuse my sickness. Oh, these are the actual lights. They're in a nice little electromagnetic resistant bag, but those are the actual Demon Eyes right there. Got some bubble wrap with it, and I'm guessing an instructions manual. Yep, installation guide. That's pretty much all there is to it, huh? So that's pretty much all you get. So that is what you get when you purchase a Diode Dynamics Demon Eye kit with the Bluetooth controller and with the brackets included. I think the brackets are included regardless, but you get the Demon Eye, the harness, the connectors. Wait. So I'm sorry, let me do this right. You get the Demon Eyes, brackets, connectors, splice connectors, harness connectors, actual harness and controllers, Bluetooth controller, instructions, bubble wrap, a sticker, and a 3-year warranty. So, in my opinion, it's a pretty good buy. I got this because of Black Friday, so mine was 30% off. I think it costed like $90. I'm pretty sure full retail with everything that I just got is like $120. So it's still not that bad. I'll do an install video because they're going to be going in these S15 headlights that I have. I'm actually in the process of tearing them apart and fabbing up a wiring harness, so There'll be another video on that soon.